Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRTC. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where that red line annotation is coming from. And if you're like, Clay, look, I got to go. Summarize this for me real quickly. I would just say motion sickness. What do I mean by that? Well, if you get motion sickness, you were probably throwing up everywhere after today. Again, each of these is 30 minutes. I bring that up because the initial 30 minutes of the day right here, and you can see the price fell all the way down here. And then all of a sudden, the bulls just decided to almost say like, hey, just kidding to the bears, and then just bounced all the way back up here. So a very, very nasty start to the day. But like I said, the bulls came back in full force, and in fact, even broke above a level of resistance and closed above it, which is kind of crazy in and of itself. That level of resistance right here at that red line, which I talked about yesterday at 48 cents. So that brings about our first update, which comes from a foundational principle in charting, stating when levels of resistance are broken and closed below, or excuse me, above, you ideally want to see them act as support. So 48 cents is definitely that ideal level of support going into next week, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best, the strongest? If the price can stay up above 48 cents, that would make the chart look super powerful. But if it doesn't, not the end of the world, because you do have that next level of support down there at the pink line. But as I discussed in yesterday's video, pink line is definitely that must-hold level, no excuse. And that's why I say it was so nasty, because not only did the price, move all the way down to where it did, all that was occurring as it broke below that pink line. But again, not only did the price get back above the pink line, they got all the way up there, back above that level of resistance. So, which converted it into support as we just talked about. So truly a crazy day. Now, what about potential areas of resistance? The initial resistance that really stands out to me right up there at 50 cents. You can see this level had acted as support, and then when the price fell below it, this is just a technical rule in charting. When supports are broken, they tend to act as resistance. And you can see after that has acted as resistance. So we'll see what happens with it. But going into next week, 50 cents, that initial public enemy. But like I said, such a nasty start, but just a very, very nice comeback by the bulls. So we'll see if this momentum can carry into next week or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.